If you remember yesterday, I had a log here at the end and then another log, and late in the afternoon I rolled on that log and hurt myself pretty badly, had some lacerations. So I decided to replace that with another big tree stump, and this tree stump, and you'll see how I buried the logs on the other end. So, and I'll take you through the course. So you can see how I changed this end too. I buried these logs so they're a lot more stable, just to make sure I don't fall. So let's go through. Here we go. Okay, so you're not moving at all. Much better. Just a little bit. No shame holding onto the trees. I'm actually glad I put these stumps near the trees to hold on to. Eventually we'll get there. We can just fly through this thing, relatively speaking. Okay, here we go. I can cross the big log, put those tree stumps, and we're there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This one's nice and stable, not falling, and I even put a little sand pit here in case I do fall, or someone else does this time. Fell on some thorns, it was awful, big cuts. And then here's a little tree stump, step down, and eventually we'll hopefully continue on here. Thanks for joining me again. Yeah, so lesson learned. Make sure your logs are buried enough so that there's no rolling. It's not worth it. The challenge is not worth the potential injury. So, and I'll bring you, hopefully you'll join me again when we continue this course. I'm looking forward to adding a small climbing wall and maybe a rope swing. So we'll see. Have a good one.